Alright, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make extended deer hair bodies. I got one right in front of me. Extended deer hair bodies for grasshoppers and smaller ones for mayflies. And I have some with 3 tails, like a mayfly using pheasant tail fibers, and what I have in my vise is my bodkin. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is start our thread, and however long you want the body to be on your bodkin, that's where you're going to start your thread, because if you try to go any further back, it'll pinch it. So I'm going to make a medium-sized hopper one. Start it right there. And then just get your deer hair and a stacker. Put out a clump of deer hair, and I'm going to pull out the under fur and a few of the long hairs, because this is the hair I got that from, was close to the belly, under the shoulder. And just stick it in my stacker. Nice little stack. Take your little tag out, put it there. Sometimes that tag will break off, sometimes it won't, but I usually leave it just so it won't unravel. And then got it by the tips, and there's still some broken fibers that I'll pull out. That one didn't really stack that good. I'm gonna put it back in the stacker. There was a lot of broken fibers in that one. Kind of messed it all up. Alright, that was a lot better. Then got it like this here, got it by tips, and I'm just gonna line the tips so they're just past the end of my bodkin. And then just take a wrap, take those ones, and then really loosely, well, not really loosely, but without compressing it, go up the body, and then once you get to the tip, I usually flare it out, and then right back up. And then when you first got to it, you just pinch it down, or not pinch it, but tie it down. And then the finisher, around that, around that. Now here's the part where it's the easiest to mess up. You gotta pull it off and push it off at the same exact time, or you'll crinkle them all up. Alright, that one worked out pretty good. See, and then set that down for a second. I just got a little bit of brush on super glue, and I'll just hit the back one, the top of it, and the other time you pinch down near the tail. And then just let that dry for a minute. Set it down and let it dry for a minute, and we should be good. Alright, so now that you let your super glue dry, what you're going to do is, it's got all these big butt ends on it. And take my scissors and snip them off. Just something like that. That's it. And then, like I got here, a whole case of them, all the way from big down to small, and I've just been making a bunch of them because they're really good for hoppers, and these super tiny ones for mayflies. Here's a bigger hopper version. So it's just extended body, and then smaller little mayfly version. This is a size 16. I think this is a size either 10 or 12. I think it's a 10. But this one's a long chain hook, so that's what it is. And I'll show you how to tie one in right now. Alright, so we got our extended body, and all I really do is I don't go too far back on the hook and just catch it in closer. Actually, I'm going to trim these even shorter, these butts. Like that, I don't know. So good. Pitch. Shoot. Then usually, because these are a little bit harder to tie in because how thick they are. There's some super glue right there, and that'll be my body to a fly. This is like grasshopper type thing. Here's how that hopper turned out. I don't know, I like the look of the extended body hoppers, and really all natural hoppers to foam I really like a lot better. There's not much to this one. Pheasant tail, legs, extended body, or deer hair extended body that we just made, turkey tail over wing, and then just like it's like not quite a twine, but it's a like twine and chenille mixed together really for the body. Alright, so that's gonna end it for today's video. I hope you liked it. Consider subscribing. I'm gonna try to be making a lot of videos like fly tying and stuff like this, which with related to fly tying or making stuff for fly tying. And that's the end of today's video. I hope you like it.